Hi everyone, in this video, we will create a unique vertical effect divider you have probably never seen before. Okay, let's get started.
Okay, for first, click Edit Container, this, and then go to Style and Border, and unlink border white, and for right, fill with 4, just like this. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. You need to set the border type solid, like this, so the line appears. Okay, cool effects.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment so I can make more videos like this. Thank you.